Remember to follow me on Instagram at savvyshay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Shay, and in today's lesson we'll be talking about the family. And why not? Because all of us belong to a family. So in this lesson we'll be discussing 6 types of family. So before we jump into it, at least we should know what is a family, or what is the definition for a family.
The term family often refers to a group of 2 or more persons related by birth, blood, marriage, or adoption who reside together in the same household and share resources and responsibilities.
So basically it's an arrangement. Only one type of family that does not have a child or children in it, and we'll discuss that further on in the lesson.
The first type of family form is the single or one-parent family, and this consists of either a mother or father living with their child or children. The next type of family form is called a nuclear family, and this comprises of both parents, the mother and the father, and their young children or young child living together. Next, we have the extended family, and the extended family consists of 2 or more nuclear families joined together by parent-child relationships, and this is like your aunts, your uncles, your grandparents, your cousins all living together. Then we move on to the blended or combined family, and this is defined as a family made up of 2 parents and their child or children from previous relationships or marriages, and this is due to separation, divorce, or death. Next we have the sibling household, and this is where the children live together without their parents. Usually the eldest child manages the household and usually takes up the role as mother or father. And the last type of family is the childless family, and this family there are no children present, only the adults in the household.
And now I'll just run over the 6 types of family that I discussed: single or one parent, nuclear, extended, blended or combined, sibling household, and the last one, childless family.
The family exists in a number of forms depending on the society. The family as an institution is a means of survival by which people can procreate and so continue the species, provide for each other materially and socially, and assist its members to develop to their highest potential for service to their family and their country. And keep in mind that the family is the toughest institution that we have. It is in fact the institution to which we owe our humanity. We have no other way of making human beings except by bringing them up in a family. Family then includes the following criteria. 1. It arises as a result of marriage. 2. Includes persons who are united by blood, marriage, or adoption. 3. Shares a common residence. 4. Assumes reciprocal rights and obligations to each other financially and otherwise. And 5. provides key functions of socialization, especially at the infant stage.
That's it for today. If you want me to go into details, the advantages and disadvantages of having these type of family forms, feel free to let me know. But remember, the more you learn is the more you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.